Hello, this is Yasmin. I hope you're all doing well. I'm here with a new lesson. If you're ready, let's get started. The school is at J Street. That's wrong. The school is on J Street. They live in Sultan Road. That's wrong. They live at Sultan Road. The museum is on the city. That's wrong also. The museum is in the city. I guess you understand the topic of today. Today we want to talk about preposition of place. Preposition can be sometimes complicated a little or you find them difficult, but don't be worried. Today and here you will learn how to use preposition for place. Let's look at these pictures. On the car, in the car, at the car. All of them is correct, but as you can see in the pictures, the meaning of them can be different when you use the preposition on, in, or at. Okay, before we continue, let me say you this first. Please do not try to translate the preposition from your own language if you are not a native speaker. If you made this, it can cause a lot of problem for you. The way that we use preposition must be with the chunks of word that we mostly use them together. Let's take a look at this sentence. In the morning, at night. It depends on. Yes, you heard them before. In the morning, you always use in with the morning. At night. Okay. Now, from now on, when you read a newspaper, you read a book, you watch a movie, please pay attention to the preposition that you hear. Which preposition with which word? How the native speaker used them. Okay? In this case, you can learn them more easier. Now, let's get started with the first preposition, in. In means within or inside the edges. I've got the key in my pocket. There is some milk in the fridge. There is nothing left in my cup. Okay, as you understand, when we use in with the meaning of inside the edge, it can be very easy. There is nothing left in my cup. Here is the edge, inside, and in the cup is empty. Where is the key? It's in my purse. Where is the key? It's in my purse. Okay, now you understand when we say I am in the car, I am sitting in the car because car has got aids and you are in the car. We can use in with buildings and rooms. In, we can use in for buildings and rooms. Okay, as you read, we can use in for buildings and rooms that they surround you, they have gotten edges. Can you take a seat in the waiting room? I've left my bag in your office. We use in when we want to talk about areas, regions, and cities. I'm filming this video in Turkey. I grew up in London. Holidaying in Turkey can be very easy if you can speak Turkish. Rize is a small village in a mountain. We are going for a drive in the country. Lots of people were swimming in the lake. Okay, as you can see in the examples, all of the places they have got borders and edges, even they are not obvious. Rize is a small village in the mountain. The village has got a border. Yes, or lots of people were swimming in the lake. The lake has got a border. We can use in for liquids or other substances to show what they contains. Be careful. There are lots of chili in that sauce. There is so much sugar in soft drinks. So please don't drink so much. Do you have milk in your coffee? Okay, now let's talk about preposition on. When we use on when we talk about the surface of something. Where is your book? It's on the desk. Where is your pen? It's on my hand. Where is the book? It's on the desk. You can see pictures on the wall behind me. We live on the 4th floor. Can you write it on that piece of paper? He's spilled ice cream on his new jumper. So, please keep thinking about surface or flat surface when we talk about street, river. We talk about the flat surface. The supermarket is on the corner of Thai Street. Nice is on the south coast of France. Keep thinking about flat surface. Oceans, rivers, lakes. What's that on the water? What's floating on the water? So because the water is a flat surface. Okay, it's time to talk about preposition at. When we use at, we talk about specific places. We talk about points in space. Yasmin is still at school. I'll meet you at bus stop. Yasmin is still at school. I'll meet you at the bus stop. We use at when we talk about public places and shops. Let's take a look at extra examples. I studied art at college or at school or at university. All of them, they are public places. Let's meet at the shopping center. We use at for shopping center because it's public place. Also, we can use at for events. We will meet at the party. He's speaking at the conference later this week. We met at the party. He's speaking at the conference later this week. Okay, let's have a revision. When we talk about at, we talk about one-dimensional. What I mean, now think that this is a map. We talk about specific point in a map. When we use on, we talk about a two-dimensional. For example, a person on a thing on a surface. And when we use in, we talk about three-dimensional things that surrounds you. For using the preposition, there are lots of exceptions, but I don't want to mention about the exceptions in this lesson. Maybe after we talk about the gray areas that we can see the exceptions on it. Thank you so much for watching and listening me. Have a good day. Take care. Stay at home. And don't forget, I love you.